Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about our last section of this standard which deals with clause number 10 and is all about improvement. Clause number 10 has been further divided into three subclauses. 10.1 is the general requirement, 10.2 is incident non-conformity and corrective action, and 10.3 is continual improvement. Imagine an organization who has conducted analysis and evaluation of their OH&S system in management review meeting. They have discussed the results of internal audit. They have also considered all the nonconformities throughout the quarter or year. They have conducted accident investigations. Now you will see that through all of these capturing methods, there will emerge many opportunities of improvement, which the organization can capitalize to continually improve their system. This is the essence of this clause. We have already discussed management reviews and internal audits. In this video, we are going to discuss about another pillar of safety management system, that is incident investigation. Purpose of incident investigation is not to find faults and blame others. The purpose of investigation is to find root causes of accidents to avoid recurrence. This clause mandates that the organization must react in timely manner to any non-conformance or incident by immediately correcting it, conducting investigation to determine root causes, and implementing the corrective actions.